So I'm tracking down some leaks in the RX-7 here, and I believe I found some highly suspect leaks. That's violently leaking right there at the turbo. So much so that the bubbles can't even form, but the whole, looks like the whole seal is leaking around there. And then I also have another leak under here near the injectors there. Looks like at the bottom of the injectors for the primaries, which is pretty common with aftermarket injectors. So it's kind of hard to get a shot of that, but you can see the little RC there from the injectors and the bubbles forming there underneath them. So there's definitely a leak there, and the top ones look good. I've got the engine pressurized to 15 psi right now, which is pretty high. I've already tried to fix this once, but I've got another small, looks like a small leak coming out of the elbow there. And then this sensor is leaking pretty bad, but it looks like it's leaking from the sensor itself. And I also have another leak, large leak at the bottom underneath this master cylinder here. It's kind of right underneath where that slave attaches to. And yeah, so my car idles like shit and runs sometimes, and it's kind of been intermittent, so I'm pretty sure that this turbo is the problem with this massive air leak. These things don't need to be super airtight. I mean, you can have a little bit of a leak here and there and it'll still run, but the way this is right now, it won't even start unless I add tons of fuel to it. So yeah, that's my air leak